Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the number one channel to your solution.
Hello everyone and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. In this video we have this Galaxy A32 5G phone, and in this video I'll do the unboxing and review of this phone, and I'll tell you every detail about this phone. As you can see, I have a UAE variant phone. The phone comes in two variants, one with 4GB of RAM and another with 6GB. Here you can see in this box we have the warranty card and the user manual. Here you can see, and we also have this back cover for our phone. The phone comes with two variants, one with 4GB RAM and another with 6GB of RAM. This phone we have okay, so now this is the device. As you can see, its backside. From the backside, the device looks like the new Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy A32 5G is a handsome phone. It has a plastic back panel and chassis, but it doesn't look like the cheap budget phones of the yesteryear. In the US, the phone has a glossy gray finish. Unfortunately, it quickly collected fingerprints and hairline scratches in testing. The phone comes with Android 11 and Samsung UI 3.1. There are some other details. Let's check its camera. As you can see, it has a great camera, and it also have wide lens. Phone supports 10x zoom. Phone has a good camera. Both cameras are good, front and back. The phone runs on Android 11 and it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 725G CPU. Here we have a data cable in the box. And you will also get an adapter from Samsung. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you wanna know about more specs of the device, so you can click on the link in description.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.